Hello and welcome to the Ascent ERP to Quickbooks Integration overview. Today I'll tell you a little bit about Ascent ERP, who we are, and how our integration works with QuickBooks. So Ascent ERP is a cloud-based order management, manufacturing, warehouse management, and inventory management software built on top of Salesforce.com. If you want to read more about us, you can go to our website, AscentERP.com. You can see some testimonials of partners that we work with and some news. Once you've read enough and you want to actually use our software, you can get a 30-day free trial by coming to appexchange.salesforce.com, searching for Ascent ERP. You'll find our listing and just click this Get It Now, and you'll be up and running within a few minutes with a full version of our software. So now to go over the QuickBooks and Ascent relationship, here you'll have the Ascent Item Master. This is where all of your inventory is stored. I've created a couple new items that don't yet exist in QuickBooks for purposes of this demo, and then we'll also create a customer. So here's an item. We're selling doors and hinges and door parts. So here's a stainless steel door hinge. We store a lot of information about the item here and allocations and things like that. And I've also created a interior gold handle. And then I have this new account, this new customer, A&G Contracting, and they're going to buy these new items from us on a sales order. So I'll just save this new account. We know this is a new account because if it was already synced with QuickBooks, it would show an ID here from QuickBooks. So let's go ahead and create a sales order, and let's add those new items we just made. Door parts, we made a stainless steel door hinge and interior gold knob or handle. And maybe we need 4 of these and 2 of those. Save. And I'll add also a door. So now we have a sales order with 3 items on it, and maybe it costs $30 to ship all of these to A&G Contracting. And now we need to create a purchase order for those items since we don't have them on hand. Go over here to the demand planner, the master planner, and it tells us, yep, you need to order stainless steel door hinge, a door, and also the gold handle. So we'll go ahead and create a PO for that, and then we'll show how this syncs into QuickBooks. So there's a purchase order. Maybe it's going to cost $100 to ship that because we have 40 door hinges and some gold handles. So now we're going to show in QuickBooks that these items don't yet exist. So if we go here to the items in QuickBooks, we don't have the stainless steel hinge or the gold handle yet. And go into the customers and see that we don't yet have A&G Contracting. So there won't be a sales order or purchase order for that because we just created it. So we go into the Ascent QuickBooks Synchronizer. It's pretty painless. You just enter in your Salesforce credentials and you decide whether or not you want to run this on a schedule or if you want it to be a manual. You can schedule it every few hours or every day or every week, however you want to do that. I'm going to show manual today. This needs to be present on the same computer as your QuickBooks company file, and then you can just click this Use Currently Open QuickBooks Company File and set up a few settings here for your items, and you should be good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and synchronize now, and what this is going to do is it's going to go up to Ascent in Salesforce and gather all of the accounts and the sales orders and the sales order lines and the purchase orders and purchase order lines and items and sync them with our currently open QuickBooks file. So there it is, it's done. And so now we should be able to go into QuickBooks and have a look at the items, and here's our interior gold handle and our stainless steel door hinge have been properly synced over. And let's take a look at the customers. Yep, here we are with A&G Contracting, and they have a sales order for the stainless steel door hinge and the interior gold handle and all the shipping costs like we showed before. And also what we should see is in the purchase orders that we have a purchase order for these items as well. Yeah, and there it is. So pretty simple. And we're just going to go back to Ascent and have a look at that account ANG, and we should see that it has now an ID from QuickBooks. And that's it. So if we changed a sales order or a purchase order line or changed an item, it would sync back to QuickBooks as well. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@ascenterp.com, or you can come to the App Exchange and download our application and get in contact with us that way. Thanks a lot for watching.